Hello, I'm Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. So, what a weekend. Saturday, we had our Saturday morning frog talk. Yesterday was Father's Day. Busy, fun weekend, and happy Father's Day to all the great fathers out there as well. So today, on Saturday, just like a little recap, I just want to kind of share with you what we talked about and shared on Saturday, because there's something really, I think, really cool. A lot of people really liked it. But I mean, on Saturday, we had our ponds. We were talking about ponds. And we were talking about pondless waterfalls. We had numerous fountainscapes on display. The new scalloped slate urn, the new stacked slate wall, which is really cool. We had the spillway bowls displayed, which is really cool running. And we also had this really cool thing on the patio. It's called a fire fountain. You're gonna see it. It's really cool. There's fire on top, it's spinning around. Really cool just for the patio. But what I wanted to share with you today is a really cool way to have a very low maintenance flowering pot. And you can do this with a patio pond. It's really cool. You get a pot, put some plants in it, add water, add a couple fish, and you're done. And you just top the water up. So I'm going to show one to you and kind of describe to you what to do and what you would need to do to create one for your own patio. This is the patio pond that we had. And what we did is we get a pot. This is actually a plastic type pot. Very heavy duty, beautiful looking though. It looks really nice. It holds water and actually has a shelf in it so that you can put all these plants in. So you get yourself a nice pot that'll hold water. Something similar to this, we do have these as well. You get a tropical lily. You could use a hardy, but I would highly recommend a tropical lily. You can see this flower right here. I think it's done now though. I don't think it's gonna open up again today. But right over here, you can see two other buds coming up. There's some more down in there. The tropical lilies though are awesome for this because they will bloom until we get a frost, and then they'll be done. But you get so many flowers on it. And then you get yourself, over in here are some mixed marginal plants up in there. Put those in there. Get yourself a couple water hyacinths. You could throw a fish or two. We typically will put like a little spitter type bamboo fountain in there just to keep the water moving. And you have an awesome planter for your deck, for your patio, for your front porch. And if you go away on vacation, it's okay because it always has water. Even if you don't go away on vacation, you might need to add water once every 2 or 3 weeks, maybe just to top it off a little bit. But your plants are gonna live, they're gonna bloom. You can see the beautiful flowers on here, and you can pick the aquatic plants that you want. That's this week's Weekly Ribbit. Cool idea for your patio, cool idea for your deck. Even if you have a smaller backyard, it's a great way to bring water to your backyard because water is just so peaceful, it's so relaxing. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please make sure you click the link below that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, so you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Have a great week, everyone, and happy Father's Day again to everyone out there. See you next week.